So there's one thing in life that's really annoying. You don't have any control over it. Yep, you guessed it. It's hiccups. I currently have hiccups now when I'm not taking the little pauses in my speech. As you can hear, I just had a hiccup. Let me put my mouth close to the mic so you can hear it. Alright, hold on. Oh, that didn't feel good. You can hear that right now. Alright, I'm just gonna keep my mouth to the microphone. I'm sorry for the bad quality. Had this just a quick video, and it's directly on YouTube, so I don't know why it's bad, but alright, here we go. Can you hear me even when I whisper? You can hear that. Okay. Bye, guys.